GMFS, changing lives. GMFS.
Hi, I'm Pamela Matassa with your GMFS Mortgage Minute. There are 3 major credit reporting companies, and each must give you 1 free copy of your credit score per year. Set an alert on your smartphone or write a note in your calendar as a reminder to ask one of these agencies every 4 months for a copy of your credit report. This way, you always have an up-to-date copy for your records. Then, carefully go through and review each creditor's information. Pay attention to your credit card limits and make sure that your credit report accurately lists your current maximum limit. If your new bumped up limit is not reflected on your credit report, then call the credit card company and add that new limit. And this brings me to the very next step. Ask your creditors to increase your limit. Just make sure that you can trust yourself not to exceed your budget, or you'll be back in the same boat with a low credit score. Now, contradicting what I just told you, here's the next step. Underuse your cards. That's right. Don't fling out that card every time you go to pay for something. There's something called a credit utilization ratio. This is the amount of outstanding balances you have on all credit cards divided by the sum of each card's limit. It's expressed as a percentage. Credit issuers like to see a credit utilization ratio of about 35% or less. So suppose your Visa has a $1,000 limit and you regularly charge $750 a month. Even if you pay it off before it's due, creditors see that you're charging 2/3 of your credit each month. And that's another reason to ask for an increased limit on your cards. Finally, don't close any cards, because canceling a credit card will actually cause your available credit to drop, which doesn't look good to a credit bureau. So the best advice here is to consider using your credit card for a recurring bill, like your utility bill. And this way, you're building credit at the same time you're paying for an already line itemed part of your budget. And for more credit rating tips, or to get you set for the home buying process, go to gmfslending.com.
GMFS, changing lives. GMFS, changing